Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch insects in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to catch insect, you need to have this net, and you can unlock this net after you unlock the insect catching hobby. Okay, I have already unlocked this hobby. You can unlock this hobby by talking to this NPC. Wait, okay, Naniwa NPC. You can go to this area using the bus, and you can do some quests to get this net. And after that, you can equip the net, and then you can find the insect target. Okay, this one guys, and you just need to click on the net. Oops, it's quite hard. You need to make sure that the bubble catch the net, catch the insect. Okay, I've already catched the dragonfly. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch insect in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.